Is your Spectrum Wi-Fi constantly dropping? You're not alone. The most common culprits are channel congestion, outdated firmware, and poor router placement. Luckily, these are usually easy to fix. In this video, we'll cover how to diagnose and resolve these issues to get you back online and keep you there. First, we will show you some common fixes and dive into each of the problems. Let's tackle each problem one by one. First, download a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to find the least crowded channel for your router. Next, ensure your Spectrum router has the latest firmware. Access the router's settings via your browser and navigate to the Advanced Settings section to check for and install any available updates, or use the Spectrum app. Lastly, optimize your router's placement by placing it in a central, elevated location away from obstructions and other electronics. Try these 3 steps, and you should see a significant improvement in your Wi-Fi stability.